This video covers the calling basics, which includes placing a call, answering a call, placing the call on hold, call waiting, and then ending a call. When placing a call, we recommend you dial the number first and then choose your calling method. This is much like how you would use a cell phone by dialing and then pressing send. To dial, you can access your call list, favorites, or contact directory by pressing the home button or by choosing the directory soft key. You can also type in the number using the dial pad. Please note that when dialing a call outside of your organization and your VDNA network, you do not need to dial a 9 first for an outside line. You can simply dial the number you need to reach. Like a cell phone, you do not need to dial a 1 before the area code either, though it is okay to do so. Next, choose your calling method, whether that is lifting the handset or turning on your headset or speakerphone. Once you place your call, the line key will light up in green to indicate a call is in progress, and your call duration is monitored through a call timer on the graphic display. When calling internally to another phone in your organization and part of your VDNA network, you can just dial the extension. Often, this is a 5-digit number, but check with your system administrator to be sure. If you are receiving a call, you will see the line key flash in green and the available caller ID information will appear on the graphic display to help you decide if you want to answer. You can answer the phone in the traditional way by picking up the handset. You can also activate your headset or turn on the speakerphone. You will also notice your soft keys change when you have an incoming call. If you do not want to answer the call, you can choose the Ignore soft key, which will silence the ringing. The call will eventually forward to voicemail. You could also choose the Reject soft key. This will send your caller immediately to voicemail. If you do wish to answer the call, choose the Answer soft key, which will accept the phone call and will default to speakerphone. You can lift the handset to switch to handset mode if you do not want to remain on speaker. While on an active call, you will see a soft key that says Hold. You can press that or the Hold button to put your caller on hold. While on hold, your callers will hear music. This is important to remember on a conference call because your music will be heard by everyone and that may disrupt the call. You will also notice the line key will flash in red to remind you that you have someone on hold. When you are ready to remove the caller from hold, either press the Hold button again or press the Resume soft key. If you are on a call and receive a second call, the caller ID information of the new call will also appear on the display. Use your soft keys to answer the additional call. If you do not answer immediately, after a few seconds, the screen will change to show both calls. Use your navigation keys to highlight the new call, and your soft keys will now apply to that call, and you can choose Answer to answer the call. This works like traditional call waiting, so that when you answer a second call, it will automatically put the first call on hold. To return to the first caller, highlight that call, and press the Resume soft key. When you are through with a call, there are many ways to end it. If you were using the handset, simply replace it back on the cradle. If you were in speakerphone mode, you can press the speakerphone button. If you were using your headset, you can press the headset button. You will also see the End Call soft key anytime you are on an active call. You can choose this soft key regardless of which calling mode you are using, and it will terminate the call. This concludes our video on calling basics.